Hi guys, here 20 minus 4 is 16 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 16 divided by 2 is 8 times 3 plus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 8 times 3 plus 1 is 4, this square. Here 8 times 4 square is 16. Here 8 times 16 is 128 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 128 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 20 minus 4 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1 is 4 square. Here the next priority is exponent. Here we have exponent is 4 square. We have to do this 4 square before this operation. Here 20 minus 4 divided by 2 times 4 square is 16. Here we have subtraction, division and multiplication. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 4 divided by 2. We have to do this 4 divided by 2 for this multiplication and subtraction. Here 20 minus, here 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 16. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before the subtraction. Here 20 minus 2 times 16 is 32. Here 20 minus 32 is negative 12 is the right answer.